Spec network adapter. Try this.
So, press Windows. Type CMD. Run as administrator. Then, yes. Type natin, mesh or network shell, space, WLAN, space, show, space, WRAN report. Copy natin yan yung HTML. Control C. Then, open tayo browser. Fake browser pala yun. Wrong click. Ulit.
2,000 years later.
Windows key, CMD. Run as admin ulit. Yes. Then type natin net sh WLAN show WLAN report. Then copy HTML. So Windows na lang. Edge para sure. Yan, pagka-open, paste natin. Ayan. Ito yung report info, general system info. Andito yung computer name, yung manufacturer. So, ayan yung username, user account ng OS. So, yung network adapter. Ito yung hanap natin. Ayan yung driver version. At yung mga iba pang port, ibang device nandiyan din. So, baba natin. Ayan yung script output. Pagka ipconfig/all, ayan yung result niya. Kompleto rin yan. Info ng mga Ethernet. So ito naman, network shell. And din yung report niya. So baba natin. Yung summary. Tsaka yung session duration. Ito okay to kasi yung wireless session niya. Ayun yung mga lag. L2 adapter. Alright.
For more video like this, just hit like and follow. Thank you!